A warm welcome to my dear little boys and girls in grade 3. Today I have come with my last lesson for you. We are doing unit number 6 and today is the last lesson. As I told you, it's lesson number 10. We are going to complete our unit after lesson number 10. We have come a very long way, don't we? මගේ ග්‍රේඩ් 3 එකේ දුවල පුතාලා ඔන්න අද අන්තිම පාඩම යුනිට් 6 එකේ. ලෙසන් නම්බර් 10 10වෙනි පාඩම. මගේ දුවල පුතාලට ඉංග්‍රීසි ලෙසන් එක අරගෙන ඔන්න ටීචර් ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නවා. අපි ගොඩක් පාඩම් කරලා නේද පුතේ? පාඩම් 9ක් ඉවර කරලා ඔන්න අද අන්තිම පාඩම මගේ දුවල පුතාලට ටීචර් අරගෙන ආවා. Now in our unit number 6 we have been talking about clothes we wear. අපි ඇඳුම් ගැන තමයි අපේ unit number 6 එකෙන් මගේ දුවල පුතාලා කතා කරේ. Now in my lesson number 10, the last lesson, I am not going to talk about clothes. As I told you at the very beginning, when we spoke about the lesson order, the names of the lessons that we have, I told you that we are going to learn about the days of the week in our unit today. අපේ unit number 6 එකෙන් පුතේ අපි clothes ගැන කතා කරුවට ඔන්න lesson number 10 එක මගේ දුවල පුතාලට teacher ගෙනාවේ ඇඳුම් ගැන කියලා දෙන්න නෙවෙයි. Now because in your workbook you have a little activity to do where you have to write the names of the days of the week. පුතාලගේ workbook එකේ තියෙනවා පුංචි activity එකක් සතියේ දවස් 7 ගැන සතියේ දවස් 7ට කියන ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් කියන නම් ටික ඉගෙනගෙන ඒ ස්පෙලිංස් පාඩම් කරලා මගේ දුවල පුතාලා ඒ activity එක සම්පූර්ණ කරන්න ඕනේ. So I thought I'm going to teach you the 7 days of the week. We are talking about the days of the week. මොකද්ද පුතේ මේ days of the week කියලා කියන්නේ? week එකක් කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? What is a week? week කියලා කියන්නේ සතිය. සතියක්. සතියකට දවස් කීයක් තියෙනවද? How many days do we have for a week? We have 7 days. අපිට දවස් 7ක් තියෙනවා පුතේ. දවස් 7ක් එකතු වුණාම තමයි අපිට සතියක් හැදෙන්නේ. 7 days get together and makes 1 week. අපි දවස් 7ක් එකතු කරගෙන week එකක් හදා ගන්නවා. දවස් 7කින් සතියක් හැදෙනවා. So what are the names of these dates? මේ දවස් වලට මොනවද පුතේ අපි ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් කියන්නේ? දැන් මගේ දුවලා පුතාලා ඔන්න සිංහලෙන් සතියේ දවස්, සතියන්තේ දවස් ඒවට කියන නම් මගේ පුතාලා දන්නවනේ නේද? Do you all know the names in Sinhala? But in our lesson today, I'm going to teach you the names of the 7 days. So we are going to start our lesson with a beautiful song. I'm going to take you to my next slide and we are going to start our lesson number 10, the final lesson for unit number 6. It is all about days of the week. Come, let's start. Now I have a small song for you. ඔන්න මගේ දුවල පුතාලට ලේසියෙන් මේ දවස් 7 මතක තියාගන්න පුංචි song එකක් ටීචර් අරගෙන ආවා. So we are going to sing the song and we are going to try to remember the 7 days of the week. මගේ දුවල පුතාලා ඔන්න මේ ලේසියෙන් කියන්න පුළුවන් සින්දුවක් නිසා හොඳින් මතක තියාගත්තොත් පුතාලට හරි පිළිවෙලට මේ දවස් ටික මතක තියාගන්න පුළුවන්. Let's sing. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. කොහොමද අපි කියන්නේ? ආයෙත් කියමු. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. ඒ කියන්නේ සතියකට දවස් 7ක් තියෙනවා. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. දවස් 7ක් තියෙනවනේ. Now what are the days? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Right? Isn't that easy? ලේසියෙන් මතක තියාගන්න පුළුවන් නේද පුතේ? ඔන්න ආයෙත්. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. ඔන්න මගේ දුවල පුතාලා දවස් 7ම කිව්වා. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There are 7 days in a week. Okay, so that is what this says. Let's move on to our next slide. Right. Now, what are these 7 days of the week? What have we got to learn about the 7 days of the week? අපි දැන් බලමු පුතේ මේ සතියේ දවස් 7 කොයි විදිහටද බෙදෙන්නේ කියලා. There are weekdays, there are weekends. නේද? අපි සතියේ දවස් කියලා කියනවා, සතිය අන්තයේ දවස් කියලා කියනවා. So let's take a look at this slide. We will read and see what all this is about. There are 7 days in a week. As we heard in our song, there are 7 days in a week. Beginning from Monday and ending on Sunday. දැන් ඔන්න පුතේ කොහොමද 7 days අපේ කොයි විදියටද පටන් ගන්නෙ? What is the first day of the week? The first day of the week is Monday. We start the week from Monday and the week ends on Sunday. සඳුදායින් පටන් අරගෙන දවස් 7ක් ගියාට පස්සේ ඉරිදට වෙනකන් ආවට පස්සේ තමයි week එකක් ඉවර වෙන්නේ. That is what it says, beginning from Monday. Beginning from Monday and ending on Sunday. Beginning කියන්නේ පටන් ගන්නවා, ending කියන්නේ ඉවර වෙනවා. Beginning from Monday and ending on Sunday. The 7 days that starts on Monday and ends on Sunday is called a week. සතියක් කියලා කියන්නේ ඒ සඳුදායින් පටන් අරගෙන ඉරිදායින් ඉවර වෙන දවස් 7ට. Weekdays are only 5 days from Monday to Friday. ඔන්න පුතේ weekdays. Weekdays කියලා කියන්නේ පුතේ සතියේ දවස් වලට. Weekdays, සතියේ දවස්. There are 5 weekdays. Those are the days that we go to school. මගේ දුවලා පුතාලා සතියේ දවස් 7ම ඉස්කෝලේ යනවද? නෑ, we don't go to school all 7 days. But we go to school only on the weekdays and the weekdays are only 5 days. අපි ඉස්කෝලේ යන දවස් 5ට තමයි අපි weekdays කියලා කියන්නේ. What are the weekdays? Starting from Monday to Friday. Weekdays තියන්නේ 5යි from Monday to Friday. Right? So the weekend is Saturday and Sunday. We have 5 weekdays which we go to school and there are 2 days which we stay at home. That is the weekend. 5 days we go to school, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then Saturday and Sunday we stay at home. So the 5 days we go to school are called the weekdays. The 2 days that we stay at home is called the weekend. අපි ඉස්කෝලේ යන දවස් 5 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday කියන ඉස්කෝලේට යන දවස් 5ට අපි කියනවා weekdays කියලා. සතියේ දවස්. එතකොට අපි Saturday, Sunday ගෙදර ඉන්න නිසා අපි කියනවා weekend කියලා. Saturday and Sunday we don't go to school. It is the weekend. So the weekdays have 5 days. The weekend has 2 days. Right? Once again, there are 7 days in a week, beginning from Monday and ending on Sunday. Then the weekdays are only 5 days. How many weekdays? only 5 days from Monday to Friday. The weekdays. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි ඉස්කෝලේ යන දවස් ටික. The weekend is Saturday and Sunday. The weekend is Saturday and Sunday. On Saturday and Sunday, we don't go to school. So altogether, the 5 days that we go to school and the 2 days that we stay at home altogether makes the 7 days of the week. Now let's take a look at our next slide and we will read the names of the 7 days of the week. Okay? Right. Number 1, starting from Monday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. ඔන්න අපිට දවස් 7ම තියෙනවා. Now what are the days? We are going to start from the very beginning. Number 1, Monday. Monday කියලා කියන්නේ සඳුදා දවසට. Monday. සඳුදාට මොකද්ද පුතේ අපි කියන්නේ? Monday කියලා තමයි කියන්නේ. Monday. Number 2, Tuesday. අඟහරුවාදට අපි කියනවා Tuesday කියලා. පළවෙනි දවස Monday, දෙවෙනි දවස Tuesday. The first day is Monday, the second day Tuesday. The third one, Wednesday. අපි බදාදට කියනවා Wednesday කියලා. Right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. සඳුදාට කියනවා Monday, අඟහරුවාදට කියනවා Tuesday, බදාදට අපි කියනවා Wednesday කියලා. ඊළඟට අපිට එන්නේ Thursday. The next day is Thursday. බ්‍රහස්පතින්දාට තමයි අපි Thursday කියලා කියන්නේ. බ්‍රහස්පතින්දා. Then Friday. සිකුරාදාට අපි කියනවා Friday කියලා. සිකුරාදාට කියන්නේ Friday කියලා. සඳුදා Monday, අඟහරුවාදා Tuesday, බදාදා Wednesday, බ්‍රහස්පතින්දා Thursday, සිකුරාදා Friday. Then the 2 weekends. අපි weekend එකේ තියෙන දවස් දෙක. අපි ගෙදර ඉන්න දවස් දෙක. Saturday, Sunday. සෙනසුරාදා, ඉරිදා. Saturday කියලා කියන්නේ අපි සෙනසුරාදාට. Sunday කියලා කියන්නේ අපි ඉරිදාට. Saturday, Sunday. Alright? Saturday and Sunday we don't go to school. සෙනසුරාදා, ඉරිදා. Now I want you to take a good look at the words. මගේ පුතාලා දැන් හොඳට බලන්න මේ වචන ටික දිහා. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now what is the special thing that you notice when you look at these words? All these days have a word at the end which I have written in red. ඔන්න මගේ පුතාලට පේනවා මේ හැම වචනෙකම අන්තිමේදී වචනයක් තියෙනවා ටීචර් රෙඩ් කලර් එකෙන් දාලා තියෙන. මොකක්ද ඒ වචනේ? Day. D-A-Y. Day. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. All right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. ඒ හැම වචනයක් අගදිම D-A-Y කියන එක එනවා. Now you have to learn the spellings. මගේ දුවලා පුතාලා මේ spellings පාඩම් කරන්නම ඕනේ. You have to learn how to write the word Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then Saturday and Sunday. That is a must. අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම දුවලා පුතාලා මේ වචන 7 ඉගෙන ගන්නම ඕනේ. Right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. There are only 7 days. ඒක පාඩම් කරගත්තොත් තමයි මගේ පුතාලට ලේසියෙන් පහසුවෙන් ලියන්න පුළුවන් වෙන්නේ. Okay? Right. Once again say with me. මගෙත් එක්කම පුතාලා කියලා practice කරමු අපි මේ words වලට මේ days of the week ටික අපි පාඩම් කරගමු පුතේ මේ දවස් වලට English වලින් කියන වචන ටික කොහොමද කියන්නේ කියලා. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Now you have to learn these words in the correct order. දැන් පුතේ මේ සතියේ දවස්වලට පිළිවෙලක් තියෙනවානේ. There is a special order. Now Monday don't come in the middle of the week and Wednesday don't come as the first day. නේද පුතේ? සඳුදා මැදට ගිහිල්ලා බදාදා ඉස්සරහට ඇවිල්ලා බ්‍රහස්පතින්දා අන්තිමට ගිහිල්ලා එහෙම වෙන්නේ නැහනේ. There is a particular order. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, there are 5 weekdays: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, weekend, Saturday and Sunday. That is the order. අපි මේ order එක වෙනස් කරන්නේ නෑ පුතේ. මේ විදියට තමයි අපි හරියට පාඩම් කරගන්න ඕනේ. So I know it will be very easy. Now I have brought you some more activities. I will do them for you and you can see and you can learn. You can practice the spelling and you can learn to write. Okay? Right. Let's move on to the next slide. Right. Days of the week. Now we are talking about days of the week. Now this is how we write them. Okay, starting from Monday. කොහොමද අපි ලියන්නේ? මගේ දුවලා පුතාලා practice කරලා ලියලා තව වැඩියෙන් practice කරන්න ඕනේ පුතේ. You have to learn the spelling of the words. Otherwise you will not know how to write. So how do we write Monday? M-O-N D-A-Y. Now we know the last word D-A-Y. අපි දන්නවනේ දැන් හැම දවසකටම අන්තිමටම DAY කියන කොටස එනවා. MONDAY. So you have to practice MON, then you already know DAY. MONDAY, Monday. දැන් අපි MONDAY කියලා අපි Monday කියලා කියන්නේ නෑ පුතේ. Monday කියලා අපි කියන්නේ. ඒකනේ අපි හොඳට spellings practice කරගත්තොත් අපිට ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Monday. Then the next second day is Tuesday. TUES DAY. TUESDAY. MONDAY Monday. TUSDAY Tuesday. Then the third day, තුන්වෙනි දවස, Wednesday, right? Wednesday. Now that's a long word. අපිට ඇහෙන විදියටම නෙමෙයි පුතේ spellings තියෙන. You have to be very careful. Wednesday. WEDNES. Wednesday අපි ලියන්නේ WED. අපිට D අකුර ඇහෙන්නේ නැහැ පුතේ. අපි Wednesday කියලා කියන්නේ. But there is a letter D. WEDNESDAY. 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 Badada. Then we have the next word. That is the fourth day. Now the first day, Monday, Sanduda. Tuesday, Angaharuada. Wednesday, Badada. Now it's the fourth day. That is Thursday. Brahaspatinda, Thursday. 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 Then Friday. Sikurada. සතියේ දවස් පහෙන් අන්තිම දවස. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. FRI. It's very easy. FRIDAY. Now can you see? All the words have DAY. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Then the next one. They are the weekend, the 2 days that we have as the week end. සෙනසුරාදා ඉරිදා. මොකක්ද අපි සෙනසුරාදාට කියන්නේ? Saturday. 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 සෙනසුරාදාට අපි කියනවා Saturday. Then the last day, the seventh day is Sunday. SUN. Sun. SUNDAY. 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 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. ඔන්න දවස් 7ම අපි ලියන්න ඉගෙන ගත්තා. Now you have to learn the spellings. I'm telling you over and over again. You have to learn the spellings. Let's move on to our next slide. Okay. Put the days of the week in order. දැන් ටීචර් කිව්වා මගේ පුතාලට අපිට එක order එකක් තියෙනවා මේ දවස් 7 එන. අපිට කැමති තැන් වලින් ඒවා ලියන්න බෑ. There is an order. So now we will write the 7 days of the week in the correct order and you are going to help me. Now you have to tell me what the first day of the week is. මොකද්ද පුතේ සතියේ තියෙන පළවෙනිම දවස. Now I will tell you the 7 words once again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. ඔන්න අපි දැන් වචන 7ම කිව්වා. What is the first day of the week? පළවෙනිම දවස මොකද්ද පුතේ? අපිට එන්නේ සඳුදා දවස. That's right. So what is the English word that we use to say සඳුදා in English? කොහොමද අපි සඳුදාට English වලින් කියන්නේ? That's right. Monday. Now we have to always write the days of the week starting with a capital letter. අපි පුතේ සතියේ දවස් 7 නම් ලියනකොට ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් කැපිටල් අකුරකින් තමයි හැම වෙලාවෙම මේ සතියේ දවස් 7 නම්. ඒවා නම්නේ. They are names. They are the names of the 7 days. So you have to start with a capital letter. Monday. You start with capital M. MONDAY. MONDAY. That is the first day. The second day. After Monday, what is the next day? Tuesday. Monday ට පස්සේ අපිට ඉන්නේ Tuesday. 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 Now we have Monday, then the second day, Tuesday. Then the third one, තුන්වෙනි දවස. Monday, Tuesday. What is the next day? That's right, Wednesday. How do we write the word Wednesday? Capital W. WED. I told you there is a D. NES. DAY. WEDNESDAY. මගේ පුතාලත් ලියලා ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරන්න ඕනේ පුතේ. ටීචර්ත් පුංචි කාලේ එහෙමයි කෙරුවේ. අපිට මේ දිග වචන එක දිගට මතක තියෙන්නේ නැත්නම් අපි නිතර ලියලා ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරන්න ඕනේ. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What is the next one? Thursday. That's right. බ්‍රහස්පතින්දා. Thursday. 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 Brahaspatinda. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Now what is the last day of the week? The weekdays, what is the last day? අපි Monday පටන් අරගෙන Friday තමයි සතියේ දවස් 5 ඉවර කරන්නේ. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and we have the last weekday, Friday. සිකුරාදා ඉන්නේ පුතේ අපි සතියේ දවස් ඉවර කරන්නේ. FRIDAY. Friday. Now can you see capital M, capital T, capital W, capital T, capital F. Always you must write the 7 days of the week starting with a capital letter. ඒකත් හොඳින් මතක තියාගන්න ඕනි. Now we are writing the 2 weekend, the 2 days that belongs to the weekend. Saturday and Sunday. සෙනසුරාදා ඉරිදා. Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. That is the 6th day. සතියේ තියෙන දවස් 7න් ඔන්න අපි 6ක් ලියලා ඉවරයි. The last day of the week, the weekend, the last day, Sunday. ඉරිදාටනේ පුතේ අපි Sunday කියන්නේ අන්තිම දවස. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Okay, now we have the 7 days in the correct order. What is the first one? Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Second one, Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Number 3, Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Then number 4, Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Number 5, Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Sikurada. Saturday and Sunday. Senasurada irida. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. ඉරිදාට අපි කියන්නේ Sunday කියලා. So now we have completed this. Let's move on to our next one. Days of the week once again. Now again the days are in the wrong order. We will write them once again starting with the first day of the week, Monday. Okay? Now the words are jumbled over here. මෙතන වැරදියට තියෙන්නේ පුතාලා ඔන්න ටීචර් හරියට ලියනවා. You have to tell me the first day. What is the first day? Monday. Okay? We have Monday over here. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Now can you see? Here we have all the letters. They are all in capital letters. ඔන්න පුතේ වචන මේ දීලා තියෙන එකේ ඔක්කොම capital letters වලින් තියෙනවා. ඔන්න teacher ලියනවා capital letter එකෙන් පටන් අරගෙන simple letters ඉතුරු ටික ලියලා Monday, Tuesday පුතාලට practice කරන්න ලේසියි එතකොට. Monday. Then the second day, Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Once again. අපි කිය ලියමු පුතේ. එතකොට ලේසි. Monday, Tuesday. Then we have Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Then the next one, number 4. Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Okay? Can you see? Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Then comes Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. After Monday, it's Tuesday, then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then the 2 days of the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday, and the final day, Sunday. Irida. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Now look at the order. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay? දැන් නම් මගේ පුංචි දුවලා පුතාලට ඔන්න හරියටම මේ දවස්වල order එක මගේ පුතාලට දැන් ඔන්න හරියටම දන්නවා. Now we are going to move on to our next slide. And we are going to do a little game over here. Days of the week. Which day comes next? ඔන්න දැන් අපිට දවස් කීපයක් දීලා තියෙනවා. ඊළඟට එන දවස අපි ලියනවා. ඔන්න මගේ පුතාලට ප්‍රැක්ටිස් වෙන්නත් එක්ක ටීචර් මේ ඇක්ටිවිටි එක ගෙනාවේ. Right. You have to write the day that comes next. Now you have to tell me. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What is the next day after Thursday? ඔන්න පුතේ Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then comes what day? Friday. Okay, Friday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then comes Friday. Right? That is the correct order. The next one. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. And what is the next day? After Monday, we have Tuesday, we have Wednesday. That's in the correct order. What is the next one? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That's right. හරියට order එකටයි පුතේ අපි දැන් ලියන්නේ. Thursday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. දැන් පුතාලට කියලා දීපු සින්දුවත් පුතාලා මතක තියාගන්න පුළුවන්. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. මතකනේ? Right. Okay. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Next one. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What is the day that comes after Sunday? Again, it's a new week and it's Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. ඔන්න පුතේ කොයි පැත්තෙන් ගියත් අපි හරි order එකටයි නම් ටික ලියන්න ඕනේ. Then the next one. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. We have Saturday, then Sunday, then comes Monday. And what is after Monday? That's right, it's Tuesday. සඳුදාට පස්සේ අඟහරුවාදා. Tuesday. Right? Tuesday. Tuesday. Right. Now the next one. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. What is coming after Friday? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday ට පස්සේ මොකද්ද පුතේ දවස? Saturday. That's right. Saturday. 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 Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay? Then the next one. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. What is coming after Saturday? සෙනසුරාදාට පස්සේ මොකද්ද පුතේ දවස? ඉරිදා. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. After Saturday, we have Sunday, no? Sunday. Sunday. Then the last one. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. What is the day after Tuesday? Wednesday. That's right. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. 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 Okay? Right? So now we have all the words and the days that comes next. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay? So now we have all the words, the days that comes next in the correct order. Let's see what else we have. Right. Okay. Now again we have the days of the week and we are going to learn another 2 new words. ඔන්න පුතේ දැන් අපි අලුත් වචන දෙකක් මෙතනදී ඉගෙන ගන්න යනවා. Yesterday, tomorrow. දැන් yesterday කියන්නේ කවදටද? Yesterday කියලා කියන්නේ ඊයේ කියන එක. Yesterday. ඊයේ. අදට අපි කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Today කියලා. අද දවසට අපි කියනවා today කියලා. ඊයේ කියලා කියන එකට අපි කියන්නේ yesterday. Yesterday. ඊයේ. ඊයේ අපි කියනවා yesterday කියලා. අද දවසට අපි කියනවා today කියලා. එතකොට අපි හෙට කියන එකට මොකක්ද ඉංග්‍රීසි වලින් කියන්නේ? හෙට කියන එකට අපි කියන්නේ පුතේ tomorrow කියලා. tomorrow. හෙට කියලා කියන්නේ tomorrow. ඊයට අපි කියනවා yesterday කියලා. අදට අපි කියනවා today කියලා. හෙටට අපි කියනවා tomorrow කියලා. Now we have to fill this chart. Okay? We have to write the yesterday. We have to write the tomorrow. ඊයේ දවස මොකද්ද? හෙට දවස මොකද්ද කියලා අපි ලියන්න යන්නේ. Now they have given us the days for today. ඔන්න අද දවස, මේ දවස, ඊයේ කවදද හෙට කවදද කියලා තමයි අපි ලියන්නේ. The first one. Today. Now today is Wednesday. අද Wednesday නම් Wednesday කියලා කියන්නේ බදාදා. If today is Wednesday, what is yesterday? ඊයේ මොකද්ද පුතේ? අද Wednesday නම් ඊයේ ඇවිල්ලා Tuesday. That's right. Tuesday. Tuesday. ඊයේ ඇවිල්ලා අඟහරුවාදානේ. Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Then tomorrow. හෙට මොකද්ද එතකොට වෙන්නේ? Tuesday, Wednesday. Tomorrow is Thursday. Very good. Thursday. Thursday. So can you see the correct order now? ඔන්න ඊයේ අද හෙට. එතකොට ඒ දවස් තුන හරියට එක order එකටනේ එන්න ඕනේ පුතේ. They have to be in the correct order. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That's right. So now next one we have today is Monday. ඔන්න අද Monday නම් ඊයේ මොකද්ද දවස? ඊයේ Sunday. Very good. Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. 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 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. අපි කොහොම ඒ නම් ටික කිව්වත් පුතේ ඒක නිසි පිළිවෙලට එනවා. Right? Okay. Then we have the word today. The word is Thursday. අද Thursday නම් ඊයේ කවදාද? If today is Thursday, yesterday is Wednesday. ඊයේ ඇවිල්ලා Wednesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. Okay? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Then we have today is Tuesday. Tuesday. අද Tuesday නම් ඊයේ කවදාද පුතේ? අද අඟහරුවාදානේ කියන්නේ Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Monday comes before Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday, then tomorrow is Wednesday. Okay? Right. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Then we have Sunday. If today is Sunday, what is the day yesterday? අද ඇවිල්ලා Sunday නම් පුතේ ඊයේ කවදාද? ඊයේ Saturday. Saturday. Yesterday was Saturday. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow is Monday. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Okay? Then, if today is Saturday, what is the day before Saturday? සෙනසුරාදාට කලින් දවස මොකද්ද පුතේ? Friday නේද? සිකුරාදා. Friday. 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 Then today is Saturday. Tomorrow is Sunday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Right. Now we have come to the last one. Now you have to keep practicing. Today is Friday. අද Friday නම් ඊයේ කවදාද පුතේ? ඊයේ එතකොට වෙන්නේ Thursday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That's right. Now you know. Thursday. ඊයේ ඇවිල්ලා Thursday. Yesterday is Thursday. Friday, then tomorrow is Saturday. Okay? Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So now we have completed our chart. So what is the meaning of the word yesterday? Yesterday කියලා කියන්නේ ඊයේ. එතකොට tomorrow කියලා කියන්නේ පුතේ හෙට. දැන් ඔන්න අපි today කියලා තියෙන dates වලට yesterday and tomorrow කියලා අපි ඔන්න අපේ chart එක fill කෙරුවා. Right? So we have completed this. Now we are going to move on to our next slide. Days of the week once again. Now we are going to practice more and more. Today is Monday. Now once again, tomorrow and yesterday. Today is Monday. On other Monday nang, what day is tomorrow? Other Monday. Monday to passe etakota tomorrow mokadda puthe dawasa. If today is Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday. Tuesday. Other Monday nang heta Tuesday. Then what day was yesterday? එතකොට අද Monday නම් ඊයේ කවදද පුතේ? Yesterday කියන්නේ අපි ඊයේටනේ. Yesterday was Sunday. 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 ඊයේ Sundayනේ. අද Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. If today is Thursday. අද Thursday නම් පුතේ. What day is tomorrow? හෙට කවදාද? අද Thursday නම් හෙට Friday. අපි tomorrow කියන්නේ හෙටනේ. Friday. Friday. Then what day was yesterday? ඊයේ එතකොට කවදාද? අද ඇවිල්ලා Thursday නම් ඊයේ Wednesday. Wednesday. Right. Now, don't forget, we have to write with a capital letter. Okay. If today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If today is Tuesday, other Tuesday nang, what is the day tomorrow? If today is Tuesday, tomorrow is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. And then yesterday. Now today is Tuesday, yesterday is Monday. Monday, then only comes Tuesday. Monday. Okay? Right. Now the next one. If today is Wednesday, right? Today is Wednesday. What is the day tomorrow? Other Wednesday nang heta Thursday. 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 Then what day was yesterday? If today is Wednesday, yesterday was Tuesday. Tuesday. Okay? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Then the last one. This today is Friday. If today is Friday, tomorrow is Saturday. Right? What day is tomorrow? Tomorrow is Saturday. If today is Friday, tomorrow is Saturday. And yesterday is Thursday. If today is Friday, yesterday is Thursday. ඊයේ Thursday නේ පුතේ. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay? Right? Now can you see? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yesterday was Sunday. Today Monday. Tomorrow Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday. That is how it goes. Okay? Right. So we have now learned today, tomorrow and yesterday. ඊයේ අද හෙට කියන words ටික දැන් අපි ඉගෙන ගත්තා. Now we have come to our workbook activity like this. We have come to our next slide and it is our workbook activity now. So I want all of you to turn to this page and we are going to fill the blanks. Now we have been writing Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for a long time. So now you know the spellings, right? So I'm going to check that and we are going to start like this. Write the missing letters. Right now, can you see our 7 days are in the correct order, we have to fill the blanks. Number 1, what is the first day? Monday. Now we have to write 2 letters because 2 letters are missing. ඔන්න අකුරු දෙකක් නෑ පුතේ. How do we write the word Monday? M-O-N. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Now I hope you can remember the word D-A-Y. Day. අපේ හැම වචනෙකම අන්තිමට එන්නේ day කියන එකනේ පුතේ. D-A-Y. So we have to know the spellings of the rest of the word. So M-O-N-D-A-Y. Then the second one. What is our second day after Monday? It's Tuesday. T-U-E-S. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Then the third one. Wednesday. Number 3. Wednesday. How do we spell the word Wednesday? W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Then we have the fourth day. That is Thursday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. ඔන්න මගේ පුතාලා spellings පාඩම් කරේ නැත්නම් මගේ පුතාලට තනියම ලියන්න වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Now I can write, but you have to study the spelling. Then only you can fill the blanks nicely. Okay? Thursday. Then what is the next day? Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Then the sixth day, Saturday. Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. The last day, the seventh day, that is Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Right? So we have completed our workbook activity now. What are the days, the 7 days of the week in the correct order? Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Number 3, Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Then Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. Number 6, Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. The last day, Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Okay, that's in the correct order. Now we are going to move on to our final workbook activity. Right? Now this is in your workbook. ඔන්න මගේ දුවල පුතාලට මතකයිනේ අපි කෙරුවා grade 3 එකේ මුල් පාඩම් වල අපි greet කරන විදිය කරා. We have learnt about greetings. How to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. අපි ඒ හතර ඉගෙන ගත්තා. I hope you can remember. You have to remember. During what time do we say good morning? During what time do we say good afternoon, good evening and good night? අපි good morning කියලා කියන්නේ කොයි වෙලාවටද පුතේ? උදේ වරුවට නේද? අපි උදේ අපි ඉස්කෝලේ ගියාම ටීචර් හම්බ වෙනකොට නේද අපි කියනවානේ good morning කියලා. So it is in the morning. Then we say good afternoon at what time? අපි දවල් වුණාට පස්සේ නේද පුතේ? දවල් 12 පහ වුණාම අපි කියනවා good afternoon. When it is after 12, we say good afternoon. Then at what time do we say good evening? අපි හවස් වරුවට කියන්නේ රැවෙන්න කලින් හැබැයි දවල් පහ වුණාම අපි හැන්දෑවට කියනවා good evening කියලා. Then in the night, after we have our dinner, when we are going to go to bed, we say good night. අපි රැට නිදා ගන්න යනකොට තමයි good night කියලා කියන්නේ. Right? Now you know, I have taught you, with pictures I explained the lesson. I hope you can remember. So now we are going to revise that and we are going to write the correct greeting for the correct picture. Okay, right. Now look at the first picture. What is this? We are going to school. Is it in the morning or in the afternoon or in the night? We go to school in the morning. Can you see the time? It's 7 o'clock. උදේ 7යි වෙලාව නේද? So in the morning what do we say? We say good morning, good afternoon, good evening or good night. We say good morning. So you have to write good morning. Good, good morning. Morning. Good morning. Okay, right. Then the second picture. Oh, now the school is over and our two teachers are talking here. It's 2:30. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. ඉස්කෝලේ ඇරෙන්නේ අපිට afternoon නේද පුතේ? Morning we go to school, then by afternoon the school is over. So what do we write here? Good afternoon. Look at the time. Good afternoon. අපි මේ වෙලාවට good morning කියන්නේ නැහැ. අපි ඉස්කෝලේ ඇරිලා තියෙන්නේ. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. We don't say good morning or good evening. Okay? When we go to school in the morning, we say good morning. When school is over, we say good afternoon. Right. Then we have our next two pictures. Can you see? This is 6 o'clock in the evening. 6 o'clock in the evening, and your father is going to go to a supermarket to buy some stuff. 6 o'clock, not in the morning, not in the afternoon. 6 o'clock in the evening. So we don't say good morning or good afternoon. When we meet people at this time, we say good evening. හැන්දෑවරුවනේ පුතේ. අපි කියන්නේ good evening කියලා. Good evening. G-O-O-D, good, E-V-E-N-I-N-G, good evening, right? Okay. Then the last picture, we have our dinner and it's 8:30 and we are going to go to sleep. So what do we say? Do we say good morning? උදේ නැගිටලා නෙමෙයිනේ පුතේ, we are going to go to sleep. We have to say good night. Good night. Good night. Okay, right. So now we have completed our workbook activities as well. And in our lesson number 10, we learnt about the 7 days of the week. So this is our last lesson. In unit number 6, we completed 10 lessons. So I hope you can remember what we learned right throughout in our unit number 6. We started because our unit number 6 is all about clothes we wear. We spoke so many things about clothes, the different types of clothes, different parts of clothes, then clothes according to different weather conditions, right? And we went to a clothes shop. I hope you can remember. And there's so much more that I taught you. So many things that you have learned. And I hope you learned so many new words as well, right? So I'm very, very happy to complete and conclude my lesson like this today. So it is lesson number 10. We spoke about the 7 days of the week. It's very, very important for you to study the spellings of the 7 days. And then it will be very easy for you to do your writing as well. So I'm very happy that I have completed unit number 6 with my grade 3 children here. So today is the last day of our unit number 6, the last lesson, lesson number 10. And I'm going to come back very soon with a brand new unit for you, unit number 7. I will meet you very soon with a new unit. So until then, take care and see you soon. Bye.